In today's video, I'll show you how to make money on Clickbank without a website. This method is perfect for beginners because it does not require a website, and everything that I'm going to show you today is 100% free. The traffic is free, the method is free. You don't need to spend any money to get started. And here is a message from someone who's implemented this method recently and is already getting results. Hi everyone, my name is Kononenko, and on this channel I publish regular videos on affiliate marketing, blogging and traffic generation. If you're not yet a subscriber, then click subscribe just below this video, and this way you'll get notified as soon as I upload my next video. Let's get into it. Step 1 is to find the offer that you want to promote on Clickbank. You can use any other network and you can promote any other affiliate program with this method. But for this video, let's stick with Clickbank. So go ahead and register if you don't have a Clickbank account just yet. Once you are inside Clickbank, you can go into Marketplace, this option at the top. And then the best thing to do if you're not yet sure which product to promote is to just click Advanced Search, and that will bring up all of the products. So let's go for 50 results per page and then click where we want to show by gravity. And then let's click search. That will bring up all of the results, which you can then sort them by either rank or gravity. I like to go by gravity because that just shows me how many different affiliates have successfully made sales through Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is easy to promote because all you need to do is just click this promote button to get your link. You don't need each individual product to approve you. And they accept people with no website. So it's perfect for beginners. The important statistics, or the important number to pay attention to, is this gravity number. This one has got 345.6. That means that 345 different affiliates have successfully made sales on this product. So this is an excellent product that converts very, very well. You can go through and you can look at the different offers in different niches to pick the one that you want to promote. It's a good idea to start something or to pick a product which you know a little bit about, or which you're at least interested about, because in the second part of the video, I'm going to show you how to promote this product, and it'll be helpful if you like this niche, or at least you don't find it super boring. In terms of the gravity number, anything with gravity over 10 or 20 is good. So here on the front page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see that gravity is 69. So there are basically hundreds of different products that you can potentially promote, because we've got 50 products per page, and at the bottom of page 1, it's still 69 gravity. For this video, let's go with an example of products based on dog. So I've entered the keyword dog into find products. So here in the results, I can see that there are 2 products which have got really high gravity. One has got gravity of 142. The second one has got gravity of 42. Now, you can promote either one of them. And the good thing about Clickbank products is that you can basically just click the promote button, and it will ask you to confirm your account nickname, and you can click generate hop links. And here is your link. This is the link that you can send the traffic to using the method that I'm going to show you in the second part of this video, and you're good to go to promote. If you ever come across an issue such as with the second product where you click promote and it says that the vendor requires affiliates to be pre-approved, just follow the instructions. So there is a URL here. You can submit the information about how you're going to be promoting this product, and generally the vendor or the seller of the product will go ahead and approve you. Okay, but if for some reason you don't get approved, don't worry. There are plenty of other products which don't require this pre-approval, just like this top one here, where you can basically just generate your hop link and you're good to go. You're good to promote this product. Step 2 is to register on TikTok.com. TikTok is an amazing way to get traffic for affiliate marketing, and don't worry, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to do funny dances unless you want to. But if you just want to get traffic in the simplest possible way, I'm going to show you how to get massive traffic from TikTok without ever showing your face on camera. So just go ahead and register an account on TikTok. To register your account, click this button that says login, and then it might be hidden behind me here, behind my camera, but it says here, don't have an account, sign up at the very bottom. So just click this sign up link. And then where it says sign up for TikTok, you can use phone or email. If you want to, you can register with your phone number, but you can also click this link here that says sign up with email, and then enter all of your details and click next. On the next page, you will be asked to create your username. So you can enter a username. Ideally, you want it to be something that is related to the niche that you're going to be promoting the products in. So I can go with something like train these dogs and then click sign up. You can always change the username later, so don't stress too much about it. And just to show you why TikTok is so powerful, TikTok is undergoing some massive growth at the moment. You can see this chart here that throughout 2019, there have been close to 1 billion new users jumping onto the platform per year. All right, so it's 219 million first-time installations in the fourth quarter of 2019. So there is a massive amount of people jumping onto TikTok, but there are actually not a lot of marketers marketing stuff on TikTok just yet. So it gives us a huge opportunity to promote our affiliate links. And these days, everyone is on TikTok. I mean, have a look at this. Will Smith is on TikTok. Kevin Hart is on TikTok. Ellen is on TikTok. Dwayne Johnson, The Rock is on TikTok. Let's look into the dog training videos on TikTok. To do that, you can go to tiktok.com/tag/ and then type in dog training. And you can see there are 1.3 billion accumulated views for dog training. So there is a huge amount of people that are watching dog training videos. You can take a look at the types of dog training videos that do well, because for each video that you open, you can actually see how many views they have had. So this particular video has had 3 million views, guys. That's insane. A super simple short video, 3 million views, 22.7 thousand comments. If you look at this one, 6.4 million likes and 7,000 comments. Once again, this is really, really insane. The types of videos that do excellent on TikTok and get a lot of watch time and many, many views are generally cute or funny videos. So that's the sort of video that you want to create. Now, the good thing about TikTok is that the videos are all very short. TikTok videos have a maximum length of 60 seconds. So that's why, I like TikTok in many ways a lot more than I like YouTube, because sometimes it takes me a whole day to make a YouTube video because it needs to be like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Whereas with TikTok, you can make a 15-second video and it can explode and get you tens of thousands of views. So how do you go about creating the videos? Well, you don't need to film your own videos unless you want to. You can obviously do your own videos, but if you just want to get started in the simplest possible way, you can go to pexels.com or any other website that provides free stock videos and type in things like cute dog or funny dog or dog tricks, and that will give you after you get all the results, okay, it'll give you photos by default, but then here you can click in the top left, you can click videos, and that'll give you 2,000 different cute dog videos that you can use as your own. Now, these are completely free videos for you to do whatever you want to do with them. And for example, look at this video here. It's a type of video that can do really well on TikTok because it has got these funny dogs there. They're sitting there smiling. You can go ahead and take a look at any of the other videos, compare them with the types of videos that you see here on TikTok that do well, and try to create some kind of a video that resembles some of the viral videos that you see on TikTok. To edit your videos, you can use this software called HitFilm Express, free. It's a completely free software, so you can just download it and start using it. And you can also do your editing through TikTok as well. So just click this upload video button here at the top and then select the video to upload, the one that you've just downloaded. Then you'll want to enter your caption here. So here I can enter something like comment, are they the cutest dogs you've seen today, ? And then you can give these hashtags. So the hashtag will tell TikTok what kind of video it is and what it's about. So I can type in hashtag dog. So let's have a look here. Then hashtag dog training. Okay, dog training, 1.3 billion views. Then type in hashtag dogs and then hashtag love dogs. So then basically use up the whole 150 characters that you can here with the different hashtags, because that will increase the likelihood that your video will get picked up and shown to people who are following those particular hashtags. After you're done, click this button at the bottom right that says post, and your video will get uploaded and posted on your profile. Just like that, we have created our first TikTok video, As you can see, you can create videos in 5 or 10 minutes. So in a day, you can probably create 10 or 20 videos. Just make sure that those videos are good. Of course, you will want to make sure that your profile picture is complete as well. To update your profile photo, you will have to use the TikTok app on your smartphone. Unfortunately, it's not really coming up. I think it's a bit too bright. But download the TikTok app. It's very easy to do. You'll just need to tap on your profile, update your photo, and then the other important thing that you will need to do is click on edit profile and put in your link. So here in the description, just over here, I'll show you an example of Dwayne The Rock's profile, okay? Over here, you will want to put in, to get started, click below, and then you will want to put in a link. There will be a way for you to add this link into the description, and you will want to add your Clickbank affiliate link here into your description. Now, Clickbank affiliate links are quite long and quite ugly. So if we click here, promote, and then we actually get that link, this is what it's going to look like. And it does look spammy. You don't want to have that in your profile. So you will want to use a link shortener to convert this link into something much prettier. So you can use this service bit.ly.com and click here, get started for free, get a free account, and then use this service to shorten your link. And this ugly link at the top will become something like this, bit.ly start dog training. So this is a redirect service that allows your links to just be a lot sort of nicer looking. Okay, so just once again, in summary, this is how it works. You need to make funny videos on your TikTok profile, and you can do all of that research by taking a look at what other similar videos are doing well and make similar videos. To get your stock videos, you can use sites like Pexels and other free video stock sites. In the videos, you want to mention, for dog training tips, check my bio. So when you are editing this video, especially if you're using the smartphone app, you are able to insert text overlays. It's very easy and quick to do. You can also do that in the HitFilm Express software if you're editing your video on your desktop. And that way people will go and they will check your bio, and a lot of them will click on your affiliate link. And this way you're going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link on Clickbank, and you're going to be making the sales. As always, the best thing that you can do is do your research and reverse engineer. So have a look, find some other successful profiles, take a look at their videos, take a look at how they direct their viewers to click the links in their bio, and then you can learn and implement some of those strategies in your own videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to also watch these next 2 videos here at the top and subscribe to my YouTube channel just below this video so you can get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much. My name is Kononenko, and I'll see you in the next video.